My name is Vixen Fernandez and I am from India. So today I am going to share you about some health which I was having it. Means I was having a stone problem. It was in kidney stone. It was a kidney stone problem which was I having it. So when I was in India, I used to go to many doctors mostly. You know, in hospitals I used to go. I used to meet the doctors. So doctor used to give me many tablets. They used to give only tablets about this, and they told me that with this tablet you drink water. What is this? If before meeting this doctor, it was just my 8 mm stone problem. It was just 8 mm. Means it was not too big. So I continued just taking these tablets around 3 years to 4 years. Continuous taking. After that, my stone got increased to 18 mm. Means it became too big. So it was paining me badly. Mostly it was I used to have a back pain while going for a walk. Walking. I used to get a pain. I was not getting this comfortable with this. It was paining me badly. Walking time also I used to not get that enough of work. My stamina also used to get decrease day by day. So finally I came to Dubai for working. Abroad. I came to abroad for working. So the stone problem was the same problem which I was having. So the problem continued again. I used to not get enough of the correct sleep. The sleeping time used to pain me badly. So at a working time also it was the same problem about that. So one day I got one friend which was from Nepal. So it suggested me to why can't you use our product. So I told him, so I use many products, bulk products. I used to met many doctors. They gave me only tablets and they only suggested me to do operation. That which was I not wanted to do operation, because when you do the operations, because one of my friend told me, because one of my friend had the same problem, stone problem. He had done the operation of stone problem. After the operation, the stone it recovers back. It comes back. Slowly. He told me you don't do operation, so I don't believe in operations. So I don't wanted to do it. So I told my friend these all things. So he told me about this reaction, which we are seeing it now. He told me about this reaction. Why can't you use our products which you are day to day using it? If you are using it, tea, coffee, drinking it, why can't you use this? So I said, alright, let's use this. This is the last hope I have with you. So okay, I said, he gave me a coffee, just a coffee he gave me for testing. So I took this coffee around for 1 month. Then 1 month I got a better result. It was paining me up backwards. It was kidney stone. It was paining me back. It had stopped. At a working time I used to work nicely. The pain was gone away. So I said, what does this coffee contains? I told him. He told me that it has the main product which is known as red mushroom. This is the red mushroom. Is the main product of reaction. This one. Said in this only there is 2% of this. If you take 100% of the red mushroom, it will be recover from it, your stone problem. The stone you will be go forever from it. So I said okay. So I said I will use this both. So I brought this main product which is red mushroom. I used to put in cup, 2 glass of cup. It's a powder form, red mushroom. I used to put in a cup and I used to drink it. After that, I used to put this coffee in a 5 liter of water. So today I am going to show you this how I used to put in a 5 liter bottle. So this was about my bottle. This was a bottle 5 liter. I used to put it. So I'll show you that you will believe it. This is a coffee which I was using it for my kidney stone. It is not only for a kidney stone, it's a full all over the body. It clears your whole things. So I'll show you. This is how I used to put this coffee. After putting this coffee, you need to shake it nicely. Why you need to shake it is because coffee need to get it mixed in this all this, because it is as 2% of guanine. You need to mix it very goodly in this. This is how I used to drink this coffee every day. This 5 liter bottle, because I kept one task that I used to put this one cc of coffee in this 5 liter bottle and I used to drink it from morning to evening. I used to make a task that if I want to be a healthy, means I want to cure this stone problem, so I need to drink it. I need to made a task from morning to evening. However, I will drink this coffee, and I used to drink it. Within 3 to 4 months, I recovered from. It was a 18 mm stone problem. It came to 2 mm. It is much different. It's much different from 18 to 2 mm. It reduced this. So I am still taking this because I want to make it zero. Means I want to clear this off. So my suggestion is for these people that most of us are searching for a good things. Means most of the people are suffering from stone problems. They are going for a doctors. They are doing operations mostly. There is no need of doing operation mostly. Use this GXN product, which is it's a supplement. It's a supplement. It's a red mushroom. It's a coffee which we using in day-to-day lives. We using teas. Just use coffee, because it doesn't have a caffeine in it. This is a good thing I like about this coffee. It doesn't have caffeine. So we are going to operation, doing operations, day-to-day lives, and most of the people doesn't get a exact medicine what they require day-to-day. So this is a product. This is a supplements. We can cure your stone problems, from kidney stone problem, urine stone problems. Any area there is any stone problem, you can clear it from these products. And this is how you can drink this coffee. Which you can pour this water. Most of the people don't like to drink up lots of water. Pour this coffee in this and drink it. How I used to do it. So if you require this GXN products, this coffee, red mushroom, please comment me. I will try. So thank you so much for watching.